Hi guys, Tanya Visser here, and I'm going to show you in the next few minutes how easy it is to fix a leaking tap. We all need to become water warriors, protecting our precious resource, and most importantly, not wasting it. There are two variables when it comes to a leaking tap. Number one, if your tap is dripping, and if you have to tighten it at the top, really tighten, to get it from stop dripping, well then your problem isn't there, and that is a simple washer replacement. These are some of the tools you are going to need. Either a shifting spanner or a plumber's wrench, one of these two options. You may also need the following: lubricating spray, a screwdriver, and a seating tool. Step one is to find the inlet to your property and shut off the main valve. Next step is to open the tap and allow the water that was in the tap just to simply drain away. That relieves the pressure that's in the lines. There are slight variances in how you open up the tap's mechanism. Hand basin taps may need to have the handle removed first. You may need a screwdriver, but ultimately you need to access the tap's cartridge or headgear, as we call it. You might need a bit of lubricating spray just to spray into this little section over here if your cartridge is really tight. Next, shifting spanner and be able to loosen the cartridge. And at the base you will find a rubber washer. You can see it's been damaged, which is why the tap is dripping, and all you need to do is simply remove this and replace it with a new one. Now, taps vary in different sizes and washers, so make sure that you replace it with the exact size washer. Before you put the cartridge back, just make sure that your tap is in the open position. That pulls this cartridge back, and that is an important tip. Water mains are back on. It's time for the moment of truth to show you how easy it is to fix the dripping tap. Look, dear. On, brilliant. Off, not a drip. If after replacing the washer your tap is still leaking, it then means that the valve needs reseating, and that is also as easy as changing the washer. The second reason to a leaking tap: if your tap is open and water is pouring out here through the neck by this little gadget here, which is called a gland nut, all it means is that it just needs a slight tightening. And guys, it's as simple as that. To uphold the values of using this precious resource more efficiently, visit the Rand Water WaterWise website and follow them on social media for more water conservation tips and how you can use water more efficiently.